So we're going to make pork lo mein in the Instapot. What I did first is take 1 pound of spaghetti and put it in the Instapot for 4 minutes, and now I'm letting it drain. This is a pretty standard function. Just put it for 4 minutes here and pressure cook it, and then instantly release the pressure, and it's well cooked. And then right now it's sautéing. You can take any meat. This is I've chosen boneless pork. You can have boneless chicken, boneless beef, about bite-sized pieces, and let it saute for about half an hour. Right now it's just started. It was frozen, so I'm kind of letting it unfreeze as it sautés. So I did put a tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to let it saute until the water drains and it becomes there is just too much water content right now, so I'm going to let the water, and in that sense it cooks as well. And then I'll put the veggies for stir fry. Okay, so all the water has evaporated here. Now it's been on for about 15 minutes of saute, and you can see now the pork is turning golden brown, and that's a good thing. While that is sauteing, I have taken in a cup, I would say a handful of peanuts and caramelized onions that you can get, or you can even use onion powder. And for veggies, I have taken 1 cup of broccoli, frozen broccoli, 1 cup of frozen, maybe half a cup of frozen corn, and half a cup of peas, green peas. They are down there. So just keep that ready. And now, since the protein is all set golden brown, and the best, this is a good time to put the veggies in here and continue the stir fry. So I put the veggies, and let's continue the stir fry. Now from the frozen veggies we'll have some more water, so let it just use an estimate and let the water evaporate as you stir. So actually the stir fry is coming really well. Haven't seen much water ooze out of the frozen vegetables, so it's almost good. Separately here, this has about one tablespoon of salt, a pinch of curry masala, or any spice. I prefer a little spicy, so I put curry masala or garam masala, and about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch is something that binds the lo mein as you place it in the meat, so that's really helpful. And I'll put that in this here, and then stir fry. And there was also powdered garlic there to taste. I may want to put garlic, fresh garlic. I just put garlic. If you want, you can also add ginger to taste. I may add some more oil here. Oil really is up to how much. I just put vegetable oil. I may put olive oil. You can put butter, but as you can see, this is coming really well. So I had put a pound of protein, boneless pork chops, or boneless boneless pork, bite size. Got it from the supermarket and frozen, and then nothing much to do there. You can substitute the pork for tofu as well. In the end, it's just a matter of what protein your choice is, but the process is the same. I'm putting the peanuts and the caramelized onions now. That's at the very end. And then continue the stir fry. This is very much done. We are about 25 minutes into sautéing on the in the Insignia Instant Pot. I have not put any more oil yet, but I can see this is now really smooth and flowing in here. Another good thing about having non-stick is don't have to worry about this sticking to the bottom. This looks really nice. Good, it's all ready. Okay, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of marmalade and half a cup of teriyaki sauce and about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and let it I'll stir it so that it becomes homogenized. The teriyaki sauce is essentially whatever you get in the supermarket. You can use that, and marmalade is also just whatever you get in the store. But this is going to be like a nice, will add to the taste. It gives this sweet and sour taste to the lo mein. So this is well mixed, and out here this has been cooking for half an hour, and certainly this is well done. So there we go, this is done. I'm going to continue for some more time, so let that continue the saute, and the lo mein is ready to be poured here, but first I will pour. So we are ready to pour the sauce in here. There we go. And then we will just put the lo mein in. There we go. Pour the lo mein, put the lo mein in here, and then just continue the stir fry. The teriyaki sauce and the marmalade, the water in that is good enough to make this as the perfect composition for lo mein. That it's just ready. Add a little bit of Parmesan, optional of course. This is all ready to eat, but I'm just adding a little bit here, just in case if it's let it dry the right proportion. It's ready. Added a little bit of cilantro to garnish, and it tastes wonderful.